Hello family, it's AjiseGraphik here, and I welcome us to day two of the Designers Text Effect Challenge. We're going to be um working on this tutorial together. I'm going to walking us through how everything was done. Yeah, it's a five-layer text effect, how everything was done. So stay tuned as we create this in the next few minutes. So I'm just going to tap on this and everything wipes off. Okay, so the first thing I do is to go to the fourth icon below, then change the size because this size work perfectly with text effects. Then I use the YouTube thumbnail size. Yes, after doing that, then I work on my background. I change the background color. So the background color for this is just go to your gradient, then click on the plus icon, then pick this point, then tap on this color picker tool, then tap on this color pencil tool and input the color code. So the color code for this particular part is 00001400. So like I do say, pay attention to your color codes very much well. So the next color, just tap on this and tap on the pencil tool to get yours done. So the next color code is 005406, and we have it. So the next thing you do, we have different styles, gradient styles. You have gradient 1, gradient 2, gradient 3, gradient 4, gradient 5, gradient 6. We're going to make use of gradient 4. Then I just bring this a little bit up and this up also, just to give it a feel. Yeah. Okay, so after doing that, then I go to my gallery to import a jungle background. Yes, so I just come here and put this, then I just crop this part a little, then I stretch and stretch. Then what I do is go to relative position, centralize, vertical, horizontal. Okay, after doing that, then I go to opacity and reduce the opacity to 25. Okay, then I lock it up. Yeah, so next you go to your text, then you bring your text, just increase the size, then I put in jungle. After doing that, we go to our font, then change the font. So the name of the font I used is Voltura. So this name of the font, you can get it online. Yes, so this name of the font. So we're just going to increase the size till I get what I want. So I'm just going to be working with, let's work with let's say 325. Yeah, 325. Then I centralize again, vertical, horizontal. The next is do yes, go to your color, text color, then go to gradients color. So I'm going to be clicking on the plus icon, then type the color code. So the color code for this is zero. Okay, so the color code is 00002300. Please write down the color code so that you get when replicating you'll be able to get it properly. So now for this particular one, tap the color icon and just tap on this. So the color code for this part is 1E8200. So yeah, and we have this. So you can just take this up a little bit and just leave it, then bring the green, a lighter green part down a little bit. Okay, so this is nice. The next thing I do is just go to go to yes, shadow. You tap your shadow, turn it on, then come to your pencil, your plus icon here for the colors. So what we're going to be picking the color, this particular part of the background. Yes, this particular part. So the color, I can as well type in the color code, but I just wanted to show you that you can pick it instead of writing the color code again. So the color code for this is 001400. So I'm sure you get that. So what you do next is just to offset x by plus 3 and offset y by plus 15 by plus 15. Okay, so we are good with that. Then next you go to your 3D text. Now please pay attention to this. Concerning this 3D text, if you have a phone of Android 10 upward, you have little glitchy with the simulate lighting and emboss. So I advise you don't use emboss, just make use of the manipulations that you have here. So turn off the simulate lighting, and you are making use of perspective view type. Then we are going to work with a depth of 10. The depth of 10. Yes. So what we do now is just instead of using the depth color auto, we're going to make use of the same background color, which is this. You get. So then you reduce the darkening to 10. I'm working with a darkening of 10. Then concerning the rotation, we're going to rotate x by minus 2, and we rotate y by plus 2. Yeah, just to give you that feel. So I think we are done here. So the next thing for us to do is just to copy this text out, then centralize a vertical horizontal. Then what we do again is just turn off everything you just turned on here. Turn off the 3D, turn off the shadow. I think that's all. Then what you do now is go to color and just change the color. So the color code for this, so you just tap on this pick out to color pencil and put your color code. So the color code for this one is FFDC00. So you tap on this and tap on this. So the color code for this one is FFFF. Sorry, that's 4 F's and 002. So that's just that. Okay, so then we have this. We are good with this. Okay, so just leave it this way because it has been centralized before. Then you copy this out again. You copy this out and centralize it again, vertical horizontal. You get. So the color code, I'm going to make use of the color code we used for um first color. That's, let me show us this particular color. That's what we're going to make use of here. That's what we're going to make use of. Then what you do now is just adjust this a little bit. You can see what I'm just move it down and up. Yes, just to give you this feel. Yes, this is what I want to achieve. After doing that, then go to your inner shadow. Turn on the inner shadow and come to your plus icon and type in this color code. Want to give it feel. So the color code for this is FFF634. So we have this. Then after getting that, the blur radius should be 3 and just offset x by 1. Let's see what this gives us. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so I'm making progress. So you copy this again, copy this, turn off the inner shadow, turn off the inner shadow. Now this time around, I'm going to, what's it called, working with a color. I'm going to be adding a texture to this, but before that, I'm going to be working with a color. So what you do is just come to the color, tap on the color sucker tool. You want to suck a color, so you just pick this same color like we did before. Just pick it. Just, yeah, let's just leave it this way. And what you do is just go to your texture, import the texture. So just download silky background, like let's say silver silky background online, then use it. Or you can call it I think that's just the best way to get around it. Or you can click any of the links in the description to, what's it called, get access to the background. Yes, so just crop it and just pick it. So just crop this part, but let's use this particular place. So what I'm using is just because of the feel it I want it to give me. So we have this. Okay, no, this is not the way I want it. It's not the way I want it. I want it. So I use the ratio 16. Yes, let's leave it here. Okay, yes, I like this. And I leave it on. Okay, so it's contrasting, right? So just put the relative position, centralized vertical horizontal. Okay, we are good. Now what you do is go to your opacity, reduce the opacity till 10. Yeah, 10. So leave it at 10. So the next thing you do now is to leave that. Then lastly, I feel this yellow, the this third layer, I feel is too much. Yellow is too much. So what you can do there is just go to your inner shadow and just let's see. Okay, I think this is cool. Yeah. So instead of leaving the blur radius at +3, you can leave it at +1. Yes, I think we are good with that. So what I do now is just copy this out again, then turn off the inner shadow. Please, I'm sure you understand what I'm doing. I don't want to be writing the text again, so that's why I'm copying, and so you have to disengage everything that you have done. So I'm just going to turn off the inner shadow. Then I go to my color again, go to color, and tap on the plus icon, then just reduce the opacity of this. And we what's it called? Go to inner shadow, turn on the inner shadow. My God to send the message. So it does make the color white, white. See, something is still here. Are you okay? White. Okay, so it's white now. So then you make the letters to be 3. Let's see what 3 gives us. And we offset x by 2. Offset x by 2. Offset y by -2. So why you do this is just to give it that embossed feel. Yeah, and we are done. So this is it. This is it. Exactly. This is it. This is it. So you can just think we are good like this. Yeah, we are good. We are good. So that's just let's just add is 100% editable. 100% editable. So now I want us to do something now. As you are watching, you have come to the end of the video. Please subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell, because definitely we're getting a lot of videos like this. A lot more still coming. So you don't want to miss out. That's why you should turn on your notification bell. So we are done with this video tutorial, and share the videos to your friends. And if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section to be attended to. So that's all. Make sure you make sure you subscribe now. So thank you for watching to the end. Thank you for watching to the end. See you in the next video tutorial. God bless you. So this is how to create a simple jungle text effect. Thank you. Make sure you save your work. See you in the next video. Thank you.